Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. In recent years, artificial intelligence has dramatically transformed the world of content creation. And one of the most eye-catching applications is AI-generated deepfake videos. Today, we explore a fascinating experiment where AI was tasked with creating a blockbuster movie trailer using nothing but internet memes as input. This project combines the latest advances in AI video generation, creative storytelling, and viral internet culture, resulting in a trailer that is both surprising and entertaining. The idea behind this experiment is simple, yet ambitious. By feeding an AI system with only meme inputs, the goal was to see whether the AI could synthesize these scattered, humorous, and often chaotic pieces of internet culture into a coherent, visually striking trailer resembling a Hollywood blockbuster. Deepfake technology, combined with advanced AI video generation tools, enables the creation of hyper-realistic scenes, character movements, and visual effects that previously required expensive production studios. To accomplish this, several AI platforms were utilized. Tools like Runway, Kyber, Pika Labs, and Sora allow creators to generate high-quality video content directly from text prompts. The process involves careful prompt engineering, where specific instructions guide the AI to interpret memes as cinematic scenes. For example, a popular meme might be translated into a dramatic chase scene or a comedic action moment. The AI then stitches together multiple clips, applies realistic motion, lighting, and even dialogue to produce a seamless trailer that feels surprisingly professional. What makes this project particularly compelling is the combination of humor and technical sophistication. Memes, by nature, are random and abstract, but AI can identify patterns, themes, and visual cues to generate content that makes sense in a cinematic context. The resulting trailer often contains unexpected, hilarious, or shocking moments that captivate viewers. It's a perfect example of how AI can bridge the gap between digital culture and mainstream media, creating content that is both shareable and memorable. Another key element of this experiment is audience engagement. By documenting the process, from meme selection to prompt engineering and video generation, the creator invites viewers to witness the creative power of AI firsthand. The video can also encourage community participation by asking viewers to suggest memes for the next AI trailer, turning the project into a collaborative, interactive experience. This interactivity not only boosts engagement, but also increases the likelihood of the video going viral, as audiences feel personally invested in the outcome. From a broader perspective, AI-generated trailers represent a significant shift in the entertainment industry. Traditionally, creating a high-quality trailer required teams of professionals, actors, sets, and post-production tools, often costing thousands or millions of dollars. AI now allows creators, hobbyists, and small studios to produce professional-looking content at a fraction of the cost, democratizing the filmmaking process. It also sparks discussions about the ethical implications of deepfake technology, copyright, and the potential for AI to challenge traditional media production. In conclusion, the AI-generated deepfake movie trailer created from meme inputs is a striking demonstration of how technology and creativity intersect in the digital age. It transforms random internet culture into a polished cinematic experience, showcasing both the technical capabilities of AI and the unpredictable humor of memes. Videos like this have immense viral potential on platforms like YouTube because they combine novelty, entertainment, and visual spectacle. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more impressive, mind-bending experiments that push the boundaries of what is possible in storytelling and content creation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.